Things in my type B classroom that just make sense. A desk filled with random stuff. Random things in a bowl that have no home. Random bowls just placed in random places because you never know you need a bowl. A portable pencil sharpener because ain't nobody got time for that to find the cord and everything. So this is the best pencil sharpener ever had. Again, a pile of books that were given to me at the beginning of the year that I haven't really gone through and processed. So they're just sitting here. A bucket of writing utensils and markers that I don't even use. Like none of these marker types I'm ever going to use. What I really need is pencils and pens. Random plant. Green and red cards for a fire drill, but there's all this other stuff on here. Like I don't even know. Oh, evacuation routes, whatever. But it's hanging up. So that's good. To amplify the voices of the LGBTQIA+ community, I had this awesome infographic, the gender unicorn. Yes. A random ornament from the Thai Spring Festival, Songkran. Safe space. Random bottles of water. Actually, this is not from me. This is from my students. I'm actually a lot neater than this. A bucket that was intentionally meant for expo markers. Now it seems like it has other things in it. And look how nasty it looks. And I have my first aid kit here. Woohoo! Yes. Yes. Oh. Christmas. Christmas cards that were given to me before Christmas break, but I just left them here. Phone pouch, but not many phones in it. A folder with lesson plans on the top, but I haven't touched that since the beginning of the school year. A random mirror in my classroom because a girl left it here last year and she just never took it home, so I've kind of claimed it as my own.